Hello, dear students. Welcome to today's English class. Hope you all are keeping fine by the grace of Almighty God. I'm also keeping fine by the grace of Almighty God. My name's Ghosh Prashanto Kumar, Senior Teacher English Bharateshwari Homes. Today, I will take a class on English second paper for the students of class 8, 9 and 10. My dear students, English is a skill-based language. To learn this language properly, correctly and appropriately, you have to master the grammatical rules along with the language skill. That's why I am presenting classes on grammatical activities one after another. I hope you all will give importance on the classes that I am presenting to develop your skill in grammar or grammatical activities. Okay, my dear students. Now lesson prediction. Here are three sentences. Number 1, Jack is the tallest boy in the class. Number 2, Jack is taller than any other boy in the class. And number 3, no other boy in the class is as tall as Jack. So my dear students, you see the meaning of these three sentences are almost same, but they are in different form. Okay, and you see here the first one, tallest, the word tallest, then taller, next one, tall, I mean tall, taller, tallest. Okay, so you may easily understand what would be our today's lesson. Can you predict or guess what will be our today's lesson? I hope if you are present in the class, some of you would say our today's lesson is degree of comparison. Okay, so my dear students, now I would like to announce our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is change of degree or transformation of degree. Okay, whatever you can say. Today I will broadly discuss in this session how the sentences are changed from superlative to positive and superlative to comparative. I expect your active participation on the lesson to make it fruitful. Okay, let us enjoy the session, my dear students. Before starting the lesson, I would like to say in this session I will not discuss what is positive degree, what is comparative degree and what is superlative degree. I hope and I know all of you have learned this. Okay, I mean all of you have learned this, you have completed this lesson. Today I will just show how the changes are conducted. Okay, my dear students, learning outcomes, the essays will be able to, who are the essays? I mean the students, that means you. The essays will be able to identify positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, have the idea about the interchange of degree of comparison, do the change of degree correctly. Okay, change of degree, superlative to positive. I have given here a structure while changing the sentences from superlative to positive. At first no other, then the part given after superlative form, I mean A3, then verb, then as, then positive form A1, then as, then subject. So the part given after superlative form, that means A3. The part given after superlative form. Okay, I mean what is A3? So I think by A3 I mean superlative form of degree. Okay, then verb, then as, then positive form A1, then as, then subject. Okay. Here see the examples. Okay. First one in superlative. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. What have I written in positive? No other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. Next one in superlative. Shakespeare is the greatest of all dramatists. No one dramatist is as great as Shakespeare. Next one in superlative. Rita is the cleverest of any girl in the class. No other girl in the class is as clever as Rita. My dear students, here you see I have started the sentences in positive form with no other according to the structure. Okay. Then the part given after superlative form. Okay. I mean biggest. So I have written here city in Bangladesh. Okay. Then verb, I mean is, then as, then positive form, I mean A1, big, then as, then subject, Dhaka. Okay. So I have changed the sentences according to the structure given here. So my dear students, you may think what is A1, what is A3. You know, degree originates from adjective. That's why I treat positive degree as A1, comparative degree as A2, and superlative degree as A3. Okay, to make it clear to you, just like this, nothing else except this. So next two sentences are changed from superlative to positive by following this structure as well. Okay, so Shakespeare is the greatest of all dramatists. Here no other dramatist is as great as Shakespeare. Here you see one thing, of all is withdrawn. Okay, you will not use of all. Okay, and the next one, Rita is the cleverest of all girl in the class. As usual, here I have withdrawn of any. Okay, so finally I have written no other girl in the class is as clever as Rita. Actually it is very easy and enjoyable, and I hope you will just practice and follow the rule that I have shown here, and then everything will be easy to you and clear to you. Next slide, superlative to positive. If one of the is used or given before superlative form, we have to change into positive form by following the structure given below. So what is given in the structure? Very few at first. The part given after superlative form, I mean A3, then verb, then as, then positive form A1, then as, then subject. So first one in superlative, Norway is one of the coldest countries in the world. I think all of you have heard the name of the country, Norway. Okay. So what have I written in positive degree? Very few countries in the world are as cold as Norway. Okay, I have started the sentence with very few according to the structure. And here the part given after superlative form, I mean countries in the world, then are, you know, very few. Okay, so subject is plural number, that's why I have used here are. Okay, then as, then cold, then as, then again, then Norway. So next one in superlative, gold is one of the most precious metals. Very few metals are as precious as gold. Okay, likewise I have done it. Next one in superlative, he is one of the wisest men in the village. Very few men in the village are as wise as he. So my dear students, just you have to follow the rules, you have to follow the structure, and you should follow the classes. Then everything will be clear to you. Okay, here you see one of the, you will just use the sentence with very few. Okay, and whenever you use very few, you will use the plural form of verb. Okay, then everything will be okay. My dear students, hopefully you will be understand this. Next one, superlative to comparative. Okay, in my previous two slides, I have shown you how the sentences are changed from superlative to positive. But now I will show you in this slide how the sentences are changed from superlative to comparative. Here I have given a structure regarding this. Subject, verb, comparative form, I mean A2, then any other or all other, then the rest part. Okay. Somewhere you have to use then any other, and somewhere you have to use then all other. And you will see whenever we discuss, whenever you see the examples, you will be understand where you have to use than any other, where you have to use than all other. First one is superlative. The mutton chop was the cheapest dish on the menu. So mutton chop was cheaper than any other dish on the menu. Okay. So next one, the rose is the finest of all flowers. In comparative, I have written the rose is finer than all other flowers. Here I have written than all other. Why I have written here than all other? You see, the rose is the finest of all flowers. I mean of all. Whenever you see of all, then you will write than all other. Okay. If you see any other, you will write than any other. If you see nothing, any other of all, then you will also than any other. That I have used in my first example. Okay. In first example, I have written the mutton chop was the cheapest dish on the menu. Okay, I have written in comparative form, the mutton chop was cheaper than any other dish on the menu. Okay. So my dear students, I think very easily you will be able to change it. One thing you should remember, in case of superlative degree and comparative degree, at first you have to use the subject. Okay. So subject will not be changed here. Okay, my dear students. Next rule, superlative to comparative. If one of the is given or used in superlative form, you have to change into comparative form by using the structure given below. What is given in the structure? At first subject, then verb, then comparative form, I mean I2, then most other, then the rest part. You see, whenever you see one of the, you will just write than most other. Okay. And if you do this, everything will be okay. Here first one, Samira is one of the tallest girls in the class. So what does it mean? Samira is not only one tallest girl in the class. There are some girls who are as tall as Samira. Okay. So I have written here, Samira is taller than most other girls in the class. Okay. Samira is not only one girl who is the tallest of all. Here the sentence expresses that Samira, there are some girls who are as tall as Samira. There are some other girls who are as tall as Samira. Okay. That's why Samira is one of the tallest girls in the class. Samira is taller than most other girls in the class. Next one in superlative. Hamlet is one of the most popular dramas. So what have I written in comparative? Hamlet is more popular than most other dramas. Okay. Okay, my dear students. So I think hopefully easily you will be do the change from superlative to comparative if you see the sentences with one of the. Okay. If you see one of the, you will just use than most other. Okay. Then everything will be okay. My dear students, so one thing here it is clear, in case of positive degree you have to use A1, I mean positive form. In case of comparative degree you have to use A2, I mean comparative form, and in case of superlative degree you have to use A3, I mean superlative form. So today I have shown you how the sentences are changed from superlative to positive and then superlative to comparative. I think all of you have enjoyed the class, and just I suggest you to do some practice at home, then everything will be okay. Homework: the students are asked to change the sentences from superlative to positive and superlative to comparative at home. Here you see I have not given the sentences. Okay, so from where you will get the sentence? I suggest you to write at first 10 superlative 10 sentences in superlative form, then you may change them into positive, and then you may write 10 superlative form, then you have to change it into comparative form. Okay, so you may, if you wish, you may do the changes from your reference book. Okay, I know all of you have reference book at home, and if you do not have any reference book, you will write the sentences yourself and change them accordingly. Okay, my dear students, I think hopefully you will be able to do that. Okay, and if you cannot write 10 sentences, you will write as much sentences as you can. Okay, whenever you will come back to our institution, I will help you in this regard if you face any problem, but I hope you will face no problem at all. Okay, everything will be okay. My dear students, so I would like to give you thanks for your active participation on today's lesson. So keep fine with all, have good time, all the best, and bye.